Assalamu alaikum, student. Today my topic is thiazole-based dyes. First of all, introduction. Dyes are colored organic compounds used to impart color to materials such as textiles, papers, leathers, and plastics. And a chromophore is the part of a molecule responsible for its characteristic color. Thiazole-based dyes contain thiazole ring or thiazole containing structural unit. A thiazole unit can influence color, electronic behavior, stability, and interaction with substrates. The properties of the color can be changed by changing substituents and extending the conjugated system. A conjugated system is a thiazole-based dyes is a continuous arrangement of alternating double bonds and atoms that allow pi electrons to delocalize, producing intense color. Delocalize means pi electrons are not restricted but continuously moving. This is thiazole ring. It contains 3 carbon atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and 1 nitrogen atom. The ring is aromatic and supports conjugation. And conjugation means pi electrons are delocalized and share common region across parallel p orbitals. And substituents on the ring can alter the optical and electronic properties of the color. The synthesis begins with the reaction of alpha haloketone with a thiourea. These precursors undergo a chemical change to form a core thiazole ring. After this, electron donor or electron acceptor group is attached to the thiazole ring. This creates an extended conjugated system in the molecule. As a result, required properties like color, stability, and substrate affinity is obtained. The properties of thiazole-based dyes are: number one, the conjugated system can absorb visible light and produce characteristic colors. Number two, by changing substituents or conjugation can shift absorption and emission property. Number three, many thiazole containing compounds can show useful thermal and chemical stability depending on structure. Number four, all thiazole-based dyes do not have the same solubility. Some are water soluble while others are organic solvent soluble. Number five, the presence of a thiazole ring alone does not mean a dispersed dye, because a dispersed dye is sparingly soluble in water. So, structure of molecule always determine the class of the dye. If we see the applications of thiazole-based dyes, then we see its usage in textiles, sensors, fluorescent materials, and in electronics. In textiles, the coloration of suitable textile substrates is due to thiazole-based dyes. In sensors, highly sensitive potential optical and molecular sensing systems use thiazole-based dyes. Furthermore, fluorescent material, the absorption and emission spectrum control is due to thiazole-based dyes. In electronics, effective electronic and charge transport behavior in some devices is due to thiazole-based dyes. Now, at the end, I will conclude. Thiazole is a five-membered aromatic heterocyclic sulfur and nitrogen containing compound. Thiazole-based dyes are designed by incorporating this ring into conjugated dye structures. The color and other properties strongly depend on conjugation and substituents. Solubility and dye classification depend on the complete molecular structure, not simply on the presence of thiazole ring. Thiazole containing compounds have potential in textile dyes, fluorescent materials, sensors, and organic electronic materials. Thank you very much for watching.